Okay, I just did a video a minute ago on the power of nature and how amazing nature is. Like, there's this steel bar. It was, I don't know, maybe previously a sign or something. But this tree has literally, like, encompassed it and completely made it a part of it. Like, it's like, no, nature is more powerful than any fucking man-made shit. Okay, and then I noticed this, which has my name, Chris, except for I spell mine C-H-R-I-S. That's a girl's way to spell it, C-K-R-I-S. It looks like Christ, almost. And then the 6, overcoming obstacles, which is pretty cool. And then I noticed immediately a heart, like kind of like right here. And then when I went on the other side over here, randomly, when I went on the other side over here, I saw some other shit. I immediately noticed a cross right here, right here, right here. And then I don't know if you could tell what that is right there, but I'll tell you, it looks like a couple things to me. Well, that way, it looks like a swang a little bit, but it could be a bong too. It's just missing the little. This could be the little stem piece to smoke out of. But then I noticed there's a circle here, which is a ring, a union. It almost looks like a peace sign. This one looked like a peace sign to me. So, I don't know. I noticed little things like that. Oh, there's some more shit people are writing on this poor tree. This poor beat up tree. I hate that people carve into trees. It really upsets me. PJ's been here. C. That's my initial. K-E-R. Something about Swain. S-W-A-I-N, or I don't know what you guys make out of it. That says red. F and J. F is, fuck that shit. Oh my god, fuck you, John. Get the fuck out of my energy, bitch. F is my last name. There's a V. There's another J. Oh my god, what a fucking douche. How about you leave me the fuck alone? There's an A. There's a lot of shit in this tree here. Anyway, randomly last night, I was watching some nature video and this ocean, like, literally tore apart this ship that was as long as a football field. It was incredible. Nature is no joke. I mean, respect. You gotta respect.